You guys, I have got a treasure chest. This is a very special treasure chest. This treasure chest came from Peter McKinnon. This has been sitting, maybe for a few weeks, sitting over there waiting because I didn't want to open it unless I was doing this on camera. So, I don't even know how to open this. Do I need tools? I don't, I need my fingers and my brain. So you guys might notice that we have a little new set because I decided to turn my room into an Apple store and then we didn't put it back to how it was before. So now we can have some more room for activities or set pieces, and this is gonna look so good back there. Let's see what it looks like before I open it. I know you guys want me to open it, but I just wanna see. Yeah, that's nice. Put this skull on top of it. Oh, that's nice. It even has my name on it, like it's custom. This is a custom pirate treasure chest. It's all very, wait, there's something on the bottom too. Look at that. Oh, wow. This is pirate treasure. Oh, I'm so excited. Ah! I really do feel like I went out and I dug this up. But I didn't, I just went and got the mail. Whoa, look at this. Look, oh man. What a great logo. Great logo. McKinnon has so many lens cap lids. This is everything. We always need these. Look at that. There's little stickers so that we can label all of our lenses. This is so cool. What is this? Limited edition, artists and crafted, handmade in the USA? What? Do you know what this is? Oh my God, this is so cool. It's a tumbler that started out as molten glass, took 20 minutes to create. Uniquely mine. One of one. That's impressive. Oh my God, this is so nice. It's got the little skull logo at the bottom. What? This is incredible. I'm gonna drink my yerba mate out of this. Something in here smells good. Okay, I saw this on his Instagram. It's the candle. But look at this container. It's like a little vintage can. There it is. Oh, this smells incredible. Put your snout on that.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It smells so good. If that's what pirates smell like, sign me up. I am gonna hit the high seas. I wish they could smell it. What is this scent? It's incredible. I mean, I bet Peter went down there and looted the Titanic for this. Like, he would do that. What is this? What is this? What is all this stuff? There's so much treasure in here. Like, I don't even know where to start. Rip it and stick it. Oh, there's stickers. Oh, wow, these are neat. Oh man, look how cool these are. I'm gonna put these on my Pelican case. Oh, wait a minute. I found my next tattoo. This is it. This is it. I love knives. I've been looking into 3D printing knives. I found some incredible CSGO ones that are currently in the works. What's this? Little notebooks. These are so nice. I love the design. I love the matte black. More notes. Write it or lose it. These are so cool. What is in here? Is this a mask? And look at this detail, like check that out. Like this is some serious quality. We're like not even done yet. Captain's secret sauce. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's hot sauce. No way, it's the editor's secret recipe.
Okay, so I need to step my game up.
I gotta step my game up because I don't have anything. I don't have a single piece of merch. I'm gonna put this on my eggs tomorrow morning. What's in here? This knife goes very well with this packaging. Oh. gosh. This is for the notes that we're gonna take. Got a little skull on it too. Wow. I'm gonna write a note. You cool. You cool, dude. Here, do you want a pen too, Tyler? I share the pen with you.
Oh my gosh.
Here, I'll open it for you.
Whoa.
Just to see if it's a different one.
Whoa.
Yeah, you gotta go write your notes. We gotta get merch. The only type of pen that I usually carry is a tactical pen that's basically for not writing. This is really cool. Wow, we're gonna be writing notes. There's so much stuff in here, we're not even done yet. A zipper pull. Oh, these are cool. These are getting replaced on all of my Lululemon jackets. Here, Tyler, look, for your zippers.
Fashion.
What?
I have these on my backpack already.
Really? No way. Wow. And wait, there's still something else. We still have one more thing. Everything about, I'm freaking out. Like, what is this? There's a small, little, tiny box inside of here. Shut up. Shut up. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Wait, does this open? Oh, I thought this was it. Is there something else in here? Wait, I just thought it was a cool box. What is this? I just thought it was a box. Oh my God, look how cool this is. This is real life pirate treasure. Oh my God, I'm freaking out, man. Look at this. I think I need to get a matching skull tattoo on the other side. What do you think? I just thought that this was a cool box. But little did I know that there is a treasure inside of it. Oh my gosh, a secret coin pouch? This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Like, nothing else is ever gonna compare to this. What a freaking sweet surprise. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. This is incredible.
Thank you.